Hello, I am Chittaranjan Mahapatra. I am here because I love to share information regarding animals and birds. Let's start our journey. So the first question is, what is the largest animal in the world? Blue whale. The blue whale is a marine mammal. It can reach a maximum confirmed length of 30 meters and its weight can be 190 tons. It is the largest animal known to have ever existed. Blue whales don't have teeth, they have dash in place of teeth. Baleen. These are baleens, these are not teeth. Baleen is a filter feeding system inside the mouths of baleen whales. The whale takes water in its mouth with its foot like krill. Then it pushes the water out and animals such as krill are filtered by the baleen and remain as a food source for the whale. There are two types of whale, baleen whale and toothed whale. Which is the largest toothed whale? Sperm whale. The sperm whale has 18 to 26 teeth on each side of its lower jaw, which feed into sockets in the upper jaw. The teeth are cone-shaped and weigh up to 1 kilogram each. Which is the largest land animal? African bush elephant. The African bush elephant, also known as the African savanna elephant, is the largest living terrestrial animal. The other elephant species are the African forest elephant and the Asian elephant. Which is the largest dolphin species? Killer whale or orca? The killer whale or orca is a toothed whale belonging to the oceanic dolphin family. They are also known as the wolf of the sea. Which of the following animal has the largest brain? Sperm whale. The sperm whale brain is the largest known of any modern or extinct animal, weighing on average about 7.8 kilograms. The maximum weight of the brain of a sperm whale is 9.2 kilograms, whereas the weight of human brain is approximately 1.4 kg. Which is the largest invertebrate? Colossal squid. The colossal squid is sometimes called the Antarctic squid or the giant trans squid and is believed to be the largest squid species in terms of mass. Its maximum total length has been estimated at 9 to 10 meters. It has also the largest eyes among all animals. Which is the longest neck in the world? Reticulated python. The Latin meaning of reticulated is net-like and is a reference to the complex color pattern. It, it can grow up to 30 feet long. Which is the biggest ape species in the world? Eastern gorilla. The eastern gorilla is the largest living primate. There are two types of eastern gorilla, the eastern lowland gorilla and the mountain gorilla. It can be found in Africa. Which is the largest monkey species in the world? Mandrill. The mandrill is found primarily in African countries like southern Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, Congo and Gabon. They are omnivorous. Which is the largest wildcat species in the world? Tiger. Tiger is the largest wildcat. The other wildcats are lion, leopard, cheetah, jaguar, puma, snow leopard, and clouded leopard. Which is the largest fish in the world? Whale shark. The largest confirmed length of a whale shark is 18.8 meter. Its size is same as some species of whales, so its name is whale shark. It is also a filter feeder like baleen whales. The largest bird is ostrich, which is the second largest bird species in the world. Rhea. Rhea can be found in South America. It is also known as Nandu, Gurani, Emma, and Suri. They prefer to stay in grasslands. Which is the largest parrot in the world? Kakapo. The kakapo is also called night parrot, also called owl parrot. It can be found in New Zealand. It is active in night, so they are nocturnal. It can't fly. Which bird has the longest wingspan of any living bird in the world? Wandering albatross. The wandering albatross is also known as snowy albatross, white-winged albatross, or goonie. Wandering albatrosses have the largest wingspan of any bird in the world today, stretching up to 3.5 meters across. Which tiger is biggest in size among tiger subspecies? Siberian tiger. The different tiger subspecies are Bengal tiger, Caspian tiger, Siberian tiger, South China tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Malayan tiger, Bali tiger. Siberian tigers or Amur tiger can be found in Russia, China, North Korea. The smallest tiger subspecies is Bali tiger. Which is the longest venomous snake? King cobra. They are the only snake that builds nest for its eggs. They live to around 20 years old. The main predator to the king cobra is the mongoose. Because the mongoose is immune to its venom, king cobras generally grow to around 30 feet long, but they have been known to grow as long as 18 feet. Which is the largest amphibian in the world? Chinese giant salamander. They have poor eyesight. The Chinese farm or grow Chinese giant salamanders for their food. The average adult salamander weighs 25 to 30 kg and is 3.77 feet in length. It can reach up to 50 kg in weight and 5.9 feet in length, making it the largest amphibian species. Which is the largest freshwater fish in the world? Beluga sturgeon. This is the picture of beluga sturgeon. Its length can reach up to 7 meters and weigh more than 1500 kilos. So the beluga sturgeon is the largest sturgeon and the largest freshwater fish. Which is the largest among bear species? Polar bear. The different bear species are black bears, brown bears, polar bears, shorn bears, sloth bears, spectacled bears, and giant pandas. The mass of a male polar bear can be 450 kg. Its skin is black, but its fur is white. It will be helpful for you if you remind following things. Please like our channel and share and subscribe our videos. Thanks. If you have any question, you can find me at this email address. Thanks again.